Have you ever stopped to think that your body is basically like a smartphone packed with apps you never open, but also never delete, just in case? Exactly. Nature pulled the same trick on you. The difference is that in your case, these useless apps show up as bones, muscles, and hair that hang around doing little more than draining energy. Today, Einstein explains it why you still carry a bunch of biological components that lost their instruction manual ages ago. But be careful. A few of them can still give you a serious headache. Literally. Number 1. The coccyx, your retired tail. You're sitting peacefully, drop onto the couch, and ouch. Pain in the coccyx. Congratulations, you've just remembered that you still have a leftover tailbone that serves no real purpose, other than hurting whenever you fall. Long ago, our ancestors used tails to keep balance and swing through trees. But as time went on, evolution decided walking upright looked cooler and phased the accessory out. Today, the coccyx functions only as an anchor point for a few muscles and ligaments, like a forgotten screw inside a modern machine. Advice: never underestimate a hard chair. It's the #1 enemy of your vintage bone. Number 2. Wisdom teeth, a prehistoric punishment. Imagine waking up to a brand new tooth that, instead of helping you, shoves the others around, triggers pain, causes a fever, and forces you to spend money at the dentist. Yep, evolution messing with you again. Wisdom teeth were incredibly useful back when humans chewed raw meat and tough roots. Nowadays, with blenders, fast food, and microwave pizza, they're more like a janitor showing up at the wrong party. Modern mouths are smaller, and wisdom teeth get stuck without space, pushing the others like someone trying to squeeze into an elevator already at full capacity. Advice: if yours haven't come in yet, hope they never show up. It's the only situation where being toothless is a sign of pure evolutionary advantage. Number 3. Body hair, the outdated biological blanket. You leave home feeling cold, but you've got shirts, jackets, scarves, and still, your body insists on keeping hair as if you were about to face the Ice Age. In ancient times, it acted as a natural heater and shield against insects. Today, it mostly adds work during showers and keeps the hair removal industry alive. Okay, eyelashes and eyebrows still have solid jobs, blocking sweat, dust, and adding that extra charm in selfies. But the rest? Just evolutionary nostalgia. Advice: enjoy it while you can, because in a few generations, humanity might officially become hairless from the neck down. Number 4. Palmaris longus, the muscle not everyone has. Do the test. Touch your pinky finger to your thumb and bend your wrist. See a tendon pop up? Congratulations, you've got the palmaris longus. If nothing shows, congrats as well. You've evolved. This muscle was once crucial for gripping branches and swinging through trees. Today, your greatest climb is getting off the couch to reach the fridge. Around 15% of people are born without this muscle and live perfectly fine. Surgeons even use it for grafts because no one misses it. Advice: if you want to check how far along you are evolutionarily, see if you're on the team without it. Number 5. Goosebumps, the human scared cat mode. Cold outside? Or did you hear that one song that hits your soul? Suddenly your skin looks like a frozen chicken. That's your body activating its prehistoric animal mode. Goosebumps were an internal alarm to trap heat or make you appear larger when threatened, much like a puffed-up cat. Nowadays, without dense fur, this reflex is just an emotional glitch, a leftover system trying to protect you from dangers that no longer exist. Advice: enjoy the poetic moment. If you felt chills, it means your brain still knows how to feel. Number 6. Male nipples, the factory default setting. Here's one of the biggest questions, with zero practical answer. Why do men have nipples? The explanation is simple. During early embryonic development, everyone starts from the same base model, the female blueprint. Nipples form before the body decides the sex. Once the Y chromosome steps in, it's already too late to uninstall them. They don't produce milk, at least they shouldn't, and serve no real purpose. But since they don't cause any issues, evolution just ignored the update. Advice: leave them where they are. Think of them as decorative buttons, no function, just part of the design. The human body is a walking museum of its own history. We carry within us the relics of an age when survival depended on fur, extra teeth, and muscles whose names we barely recognize. Nature is extraordinary, but far too lazy when it comes to cleaning up. Now tell me, which of these features do you think evolution should have removed long ago? And if you want to keep exploring the curious side of science, get ready for the next episode. How to survive any disaster. Knowledge might just save your life. Drop a comment below and hit subscribe on Einstein Explains It, because here, learning is fun.